Okay, so we're going to be pinning. We're actually going to be sewing. Emily's going to be sewing on her machine, on her straight machine, which is a beautiful antique machine. These two panels are going to go together, so that means we need to put these two pieces together.
Okay.
Okay. And then I'm going to put the first pin.
I have a flower.
Okay. You're going to put a couple pins in here, right on the edge.
Okay.
One right there. What's on that one? Must be one here. Okay, how about right here? Okay.
Okay.
And you just go through both layers. And this one's an extra sharp pin, okay? Okay. Oh, careful. Okay.
I poked myself with it not really hard.
Okay, well, we got one more here. One more pin right there.
Not around. Here?
Yeah, closer to the edge. Like that. Okay. I think you got the idea. Don't put your fingers on the end. Otherwise you will poke yourself. You'll burn.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to line, so that little mark I made on your sewing machine, that's what we're going to line it up to, okay? Okay? So I don't need that first pin anymore, so go ahead and start sewing it.
Which way up?
Okay, you remember. Yeah, so go, keep it, no. Oh yeah, that's right. Put it down. We're doing backstitch last. Okay, go forward. Okay, stop. Now go back, do the backstitch. Keep going the same direction. All the way to the end. Oh, and it doesn't want to do it, so okay, put it back right. Not right, probably just for me and not. Got a little knot already. Hold on. Yeah, how did we get that little knot? It didn't, when we were testing it just a second ago, it didn't do that. Okay. Get all these loose extra threads out. Okay. So you're going to go again. Okay. Hold on. Remember, we gotta put this down. Put the back down. Okay. Okay. Yep. Keep going. See how I'm lining it up to that little line that's right there? Trying to keep that straight. So you gotta be aware of what's going on here besides just turning the wheel. Okay, you need to keep turning the wheel. It's a straight line, so it's pretty easy to do. Okay, take that needle out. Take the pin out. Okay. Yeah. Keep going. Nope. We don't backstitch until the very end. Keep going. Okay, take the pin out. Okay, yep. And then go all the way to the end. It's really nice. Okay, keep going. Okay, so right about there, we're going to do backstitch, okay? Okay, and do your backstitch. Keep on. Oh, push harder. Oh, there you go. Okay, and stop. Looks like it's trying to eat it. Okay, just got a little bit full. Okay, so hold on. We're just going to finish that stitch up. So just put it regular. All the way down. And then just sew to the end of the stitch. Really? Hold on.
I'll do it.
I got a knot somewhere. Okay, so the next thing we're going to be doing is we've got the crotch lining. So I'm going to sew that one on the front. And since it's going to be a little bit harder on this machine to kind of do it twice, I'm sandwiching the lining on the back. So it's going to go through 3 layers at this point.
I need to do it.
No, you can do it. Here, sew. So,
I got that.
no, not yet. Because just sew a little bit. Because we got to do a back stitch too. Okay. Okay, stop. All the way. So let's get it all the way down. Okay. Now, okay, up. Yep. Up. And then do the back stitch. Okay, all the way to the end. Keep on. Okay, stop. Okay, change it. Forward. Okay, now go forward. Okay. Okay, keep going.
Stop.
You got.
Okay.
see where it's going? So try and move your body over here a little bit. Okay. Okay, we got a pin. Yep, take that one out. Okay. Keep sewing.
No, I'm gonna go up to your
No,
fingers.
it's not going to come on my fingers. You're not going fast enough to sew my fingers. Okay, keep going. Yep, take it out. Okay, keep going. Okay, almost all the way to the end. Keep going. Okay, stop. Do a back stitch. Okay. Okay, stop. Go forward. Okay. Yep, and something stopped. Okay.
Oh.
No.
No.
Needle's up. Can you put the needle up? Turn it.
Needle.
No, turn this so the needle's up. Okay. Okay. So it didn't do the back stitch for some reason. Oh,
Why?
yes, it did.
What?
Just don't want to go forward again. Okay, so we've got all of these ready. And what I think we should do is, well, actually we got the back now. Okay, let's move over because we've got the camera right there. So sit up, honey. Okay. So we've got the camera right there. So I'm going to first attach, kind of put this to that side. So it's the back crotch piece to the front, or back to the back crotch piece. Where will our pins go? Right there. Okay. No, we have a whole stack of them right here, honey. And you can speak. You can use your words, okay? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Okay. Stop sticking your tongue out. Okay. So we're also going to do this last part with the lining together, and the easiest way to do is, since I've got the lining coming out the back from that side, I'm going to go over like this. Pin that again. Emily, stop it. That's very rude. Very rude. You don't like someone sticking their tongue out at you, do you?
Yes, I do.
Oh, you do?
It looks so cute.
It doesn't look like cute. Okay. So, I don't know if you can see the crotch on that piece, the crotch on this piece. Everything's kind of bundled up in the middle. So, not sure why it was not wanting to stitch. The needle is right us through the needle. Okay. Now let's start here.
Okay.
And we'll just go straight. We won't even do a back stitch on here. Okay? Oop. There we go. Okay, keep going. Keep up. Thread came out. Okay. Sit up straight. Okay, turn the wheel. You know how which way. Okay, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Don't stop. See how I'm following that line? The little line that's right there. Okay, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Trust me, I can do. Okay, keep going. Okay. Good. Actually, we're going to go back to the side because we didn't stitch all the way to the end. Okay. Okay. So. Yep, all the way to the end. Keep on. No, no, no. Oh yeah, it's getting tangled again. Okay,
Yes.
go.
It
Push.
won't go.
Yeah, yes it will. Yep. I don't know what's going on. Leave it on. Top's fine.
Why?
Huh?
Okay, now
Huh? Because I can see it's fine. We have some extra thread stuck underneath. So, hold on. Okay, let's sew to the end. Okay, Okay, so there we go. We're going to sew, I think we should just do the rest on the overlock machine. What do you think?
I think over here.
Well, we can't sew the elastic on over here.
Why?
I think those ones are pretty good, so.
How about the rest of
Well, let's sew these. We sew these sides. Huh? Well, we have to sew the sides together.
Okay.
So. So I'm going to pin the sides together. And since we're having more difficulty with this back stitch, we're just going to stitch the whole thing, okay? And I want to make the stitch smaller. Okay, honey?
Okay.
So I'm going to make it.
So
it's going to be a smaller stitch. That way, if the stitch breaks, it won't be a big deal.
it was the same.
Gotta teach you. And of course, this is not the easiest fabric to begin sewing on.
How do I get the water bottoms?
Well, it's just a super stretchy fabric, so. Okay. Okay. Our tails are long. Okay. There we go. Yep. Yep, so you gotta do it faster to get it to go further. Okay, much smaller stitch, huh? Okay, keep going, keep going. You can go as fast as you want. Yeah. Okay, stop. Okay.
This is too fast.
Okay, then we gotta go back to the beginning so we get all the way to the end. Okay? Okay, keep going, same way. Okay, stop.
It was just going
Get the
on
needle
my...
up. You can just turn it like this to get it up, okay? Now we got to do this side. Same thing.
I'm gonna do it super fast.
Okay, well I had to put this down first. Okay, go.
We got fun.
Well, not yet. You gotta start sewing first. Here you go.
Never stopping.
Okay, keep going.
It stopped when it was supposed to stop.
Yep. And we're gonna finish a little bit of the front of the top part of the seam too, since we didn't backstitch it. Okay, keep going.
Back?
No. We're not doing the backstitch. It's too hard to do on this fabric. It's getting stuck, so we're just gonna reinforce the ends like this. Okay, there we go. Plus the edges are gonna be sewn in with elastic anyways. Look, so far.
I'm gonna wear it.
We gotta put the elastic in it. It's cute though, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So cute.
Here, we'll show on the video. Show on the camera. It's really cute. Okay. Thanks for watching. If you would like to have more content like this, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, or leave a comment below. Thank you very much.